Chapter 12, Using Professional Software for Formatting. Introduction to Adobe InDesign and Canva. In the world of digital design, Adobe InDesign and Canva have emerged as two leading software platforms. Adobe InDesign, a part of the Adobe Creative Suite, is a desktop publishing software application produced by Adobe Systems. It's used to create works such as posters, flyers, brochures, magazines, newspapers, presentations, books, and ebooks. On the other hand, Canva is a graphic design platform used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, and other visual content. It is available on web and mobile and integrates millions of images, fonts, templates, and illustrations. I highly recommend the book Self-Publishing Your Book on Amazon KDP, The KDP Formula by Saurav Dash. This comprehensive guide covers everything from writing and formatting your book to navigating Amazon's marketplace for maximum profit. It reveals the secrets of self-publishing, helping you master book marketing and generate income. Designed to transform writers into published authors, it makes the process both feasible and economical. Save resources, reach readers worldwide, and start your authorial journey today with this tactical roadmap. Get your copy now before it is too late. This investment will be a boon for a lifetime. Join me for a one-on-one coaching session on the entire self-publishing process on Amazon KDP. In these personalized sessions, you will learn everything from writing and formatting your book to mastering marketing strategies and maximizing your profits. Your one-time investment will provide maximum benefits, helping you become a successful author and manage the self-publishing process independently. You will gain hands-on experience and practical tips tailored to your unique needs. Reach us at blazegoodburst.com, email us or WhatsApp us. All information is in the description below. Pros and cons of using professional software. Like any tool, Adobe InDesign and Canva have their strengths and weaknesses. Adobe InDesign is known for its pros. Precision. InDesign offers precise control over typography and design elements. Integration. Seamless integration with other Adobe products like Photoshop and Illustrator. Professional output. It supports professional printing options and output in various formats, including PDF and HTML. Cons. Complexity. It has a steep learning curve and may be overwhelming for beginners. Cost. Unlike Canva, Adobe InDesign comes with a hefty price tag. Canva, on the other hand, is appreciated for its pros. Ease of use. Canva's drag and drop feature and professional layouts make it user-friendly. Templates. It offers a variety of templates for different social media platforms. Cost. Canva has a free version with optional paid features, making it more accessible. Cons: limited customization. Canva offers less flexibility and precision compared to InDesign. Quality: the quality of templates and elements can vary. Tutorials and resources for learning InDesign and Canva. There are numerous resources available online to learn Adobe InDesign and Canva. For InDesign, Adobe's own tutorials are a great place to start. They offer a range of guides for all levels, from beginner to advanced. Similarly, Canva has a design school which provides interactive lessons on a variety of topics. In the upcoming practical session, we will delve deeper into these tools. Once your basics are clear, we will take an example book and guide you through the process of formatting it from start to finish using these professional software tools. This hands-on experience will give you a practical understanding of how to use these tools effectively. Remember, the key to mastering any software is practice. Don't be afraid to explore and experiment with different features. Happy designing! In the next chapter, we will learn more about publishing your book on Amazon KDP. So, stay tuned and stay subscribed. If you are an author and want to be a guest on the Blaze Goldburst Show's video podcast for an author interview, use the contact form in the link in the description below. To be eligible, you must subscribe to the channel and send us your book blurb and book link. We are selecting 100 authors who deserve to be featured. Check it out now. For more information, visit blazegoldburst.com. Email us at blazegoldburst.services@gmail.com or WhatsApp us at +91 8847 889597. Join us and share your story with a wider audience. If you prefer to avoid the hassle of self-publishing, we have got you covered. Reach out to us anytime and we will handle everything for you. From formatting your manuscript into an ebook, paperback, and hardcover to publishing it on Amazon KDP. We take care of every detail. Our team of experts ensures your book meets all the necessary standards and stands out in the marketplace. You won't need to worry about any aspect of the process. We are here to support you every step of the way. Whether it's designing an eye-catching cover, optimizing your book's metadata for better discoverability, or setting up your author profile, we have got it all covered. Let us be your dedicated supporter on this journey to becoming a published author. Visit us at blazegoldburst.com to get started. Your dream of seeing your book in the hands of readers worldwide is just a click away.